Hello everyone. I just want to make a real quick video about LG Nexus 5. You know, this phone is ahead of its time. I don't want someone to experience what I experienced with this phone. Why I'm making this video is about the shutting down. I found out that at a time, if I want to on my YouTube amp, the phone goes off. If I want to access any amp, it goes off automatic. I have to restart it again, and it goes off. So what you need to do is just to save yourself stress and time. Just change the battery. As soon as the battery is changed, all the problem you are experiencing will just go off. This is Nexus 5. The phone is ahead of its time. I've never seen any phone that gives me service like this phone does. It's a very nice phone. So I don't want anyone that has the same type of phone to experience what I've been through. If you're having an issue, like I repeat again, if you're having an issue with the Nexus 5 shutting itself down, for example, if you want to access your YouTube or any amp, it shut off. If you want to do anything, it shut off. The only solution and the easiest way to navigate this issue is to just change your battery. As soon as that battery is changed, your problem is gone. So that shows that the battery is weak. The battery cannot handle the content you have on your phone, like emails and stuff like that. So just go ahead and save yourself your time and change the battery. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Nexus 5, baby.